Hi, good morning. Myself Apurva Jyoti. Hope everyone are good and fine. Following all the safety measures, right? So, shall we start with the lesson? We'll learn something new today. For today, we'll learn something new and let us gain some knowledge today, right? Now, quickly, shall we start with the lesson? Armies and military leaders. So, till last video, in the last classes, we have learned how this archaeologists have excavated, what did they found, what was their opinion, how was the city divided into four divisions, and all we have learned. Right now, armies and military leaders. About army, how was the military leaders and all, about them we are going to learn in this. So we all know that in present times or present today, we are listening many things done by army people, how they are fighting for our safety, how they are struggling there, what sort of things are going on, how bravely they are going for the war and all, right? So they are very brave and they are doing their work now. Then in the past, how was the places being protected? How is our country protected? What sort of army was there? How they used to be trained? In what way they were being given training? Who gave them training? All about this we are going to learn now. At the time of Vijayanagara, how was the army and all we are going to learn. You would have heard and read about great wars being fought today and also about the powerful army. Yes, we have seen and we have read. Let us find out how it was in Vijayanagara times. So, at the time of Vijayanagara, how is it? How was the army and all? We are going to learn now today. Vijayanagara rulers invested a lot of money in building their military powers. So you can see Vijayanagara people who were there, the kings and all used to invest lot of money. They used to put lot of money in training military people and all, and building money in building their military power, means giving training, strengthening them, doing them strong. All these things, for all these things they used to invest lot of money. They used to put lot of money on the military. They imported a large number of horses from Arabia and Iran, which came in ships to their port on the west coast. So not only this, they used to invest a lot of money in purchasing the horses from Arabia and Iran. They used to come to to their places by ports, through ports from west coast. Using this west coast, they used to come to they used to bring these horses to their city using ports. They recruited a large army and built many strong forts. Not only this, they have recruited. They took many people or as an army, and they started constructing very strong city buildings and all, strong forts, so that these people can stay, get trained, and can attack the people, can become the strong soldiers, right? One of the important rulers, Devaraya II of Vijayanagara, started recruiting Muslim fighters to serve him and to train his soldiers in the new modes of warfare. So, not only this, they also, the ruler of this Vijayanagara, the famous ruler, Devaraya II, he recruited, he took Muslim fighters and all into his kingdom, into job, to serve him and to also train the soldiers, to give training to the soldiers and to give little bit ideas to him, so that the soldiers become strong in the training and they can participate with strong and braveness in the warfare while wars are going on in a new mode, taking new techniques, getting trained in new techniques, how to fight, what sort of thing should be done at what moment, and all these techniques or the training was given by these Muslim fighters. He also permitted the construction of mosque in the capital city where the Muslim soldiers were garrisoned. Like this, he also gave permission to construct mosque like masjid in that city, and he also in the capital city, he gave permission where all these soldiers, Muslim soldiers, were garrisoned. Means they have been given a place, provided a place, and they are staying. So for their worship, he also permitted to construct mosque there so that they can offer their prayers. Garrisoned means like provided a place. In those days, guns and cannons had been newly introduced. So at that time, weapons were newly introduced, like guns, cannons, and all were newly started. They came into existence. At that time only the origin of the guns and all started. The Vijayanagara kings started using guns and cannons in their forces. So these Vijayanagara kings and all also started adopting the new guns, new cannons and all, and they started practicing the guns and cannons in their forces. The combination of firearms and cavalry, I mean cavalry in the sense horse riders who will be fighting in this horse ride, means the soldiers who will be on the horse and they'll be fighting in the warfares, no, those horse riders, cavalry they call. So the combination of firearms who will be using the guns and all those, and cavalry horse riders, with these both combination means using these both sort of soldiers made them one of the most powerful armies. So these Vijayanagara rulers, they are using the firearms and this horse riders both in their force, in their army. So they became very strong. See, they got training in the both and they became very powerful. So now everyone started thinking that they are very powerful army because they got trained in such a way, right? Now, captains of the troops in the sense like group, the Amaranayakas. So the captains, the leaders of the troops now. The entire kingdom was actually controlled and administered by the commanders of these army. Yes. So the army groups or the troops which are there, they are being given with the leaders, and the leaders will be commanding. They are called commanders. Means the orders are passed by the leaders. What sort of work should be done by the soldiers? How they used to fight? How they used to think, in what way they have to approach and all, and what work should be allotted by whom. Everything is being seen by these commanders, the leaders of these army troops. Let us find out who they were and what they did. Read the following account left by Domingo Pace about Vijayanagara during Krishnadevaraya period. So we are going to learn detailedly about this in the next video, that is on the in the next class, that is on Friday we are going to learn. So till that time, be safe, put your mask, always sanitize your hands, be safe, stay at home, learn and enjoy every day. Thank you. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.